Today is a hiking day. Stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. हुर्रा टॉप का स्टेज के लिए हुर्रे हुर्रा हुर्रे. Trust me, there is not even single flat terrain in this entire stretch. It is steep.
ये बेसिक कोर्स की ट्रेनिंग आपको बात करना चाहती है सर. 4491 meters.
Summit at 4375 meters because of you, Sandhya. Thanks a lot. They'll clap for us. Liquid prismatic magnetic compass पूरा.
Sometimes 20 seconds, sometimes 10 seconds, 12 seconds. I like some plotting, deep plotting and orienting map. Even ropes were very lucky, or ropes were no what I am speechless. Instructors will hide somewhere. वो वहाँ से लेके पूरे वहाँ तक कहीं भी छुप सकते थे, गुजर हाथ तक ही.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Rudy's YouTube channel Wanderum 2.0. Today is a hiking day and we are going to Hurra Top. It's 6 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock in the morning and we have a chance of climbing till 10 o'clock and then return. There are total 3 stages in this peak climbing, stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3, and by 10 o'clock we have to finish everything and come down, and whoever wanted to return, they can return either from stage 1, stage 2 or stage 3, and total elevation we are going to gain is from 15,500 feet today if you are reaching the peak. For the people who reach to AMC, Advanced Base Camp already, they have already gained an elevation of 14,400, and in case if they are unable to reach to the peak also, they still have their yesterday's elevation hike gain. So we are still good. So the people who went to ABC is like reaching to stage 2 of Hurra Top already. It's already day 21, the final day of the physical activity in BMC. Today's task was much awaited height gain trek to Hurra Top. On the way, we had to cross multiple water streams. The flow and the current was so strong that at times our instructor had to step in and make sure we crossed safely. The route itself was incredibly beautiful, but it was mostly a steep ascent with hardly any flat or any descents. The highlight for me was watching horses running freely on the green meadows. Such a magical sight in the middle of the mountains. But the weather wasn't kind today. It kept drizzling most of the time, making the climb tougher but equally memorable. This is our first break point or the stage 1. And it's all inclination, dude. It kills. This lady is doing good today. Tisha is strong enough and others are still coming.
I'm not able to suck the water.
Is it?
On the way back.
or it's just a break? Stage 2. Hurrah top का stage के लिए hurray! Hurrah! Trust me, there is not even single flat terrain in this entire stretch of 2 hours 36 minutes. It is steep. It's not steep, it's steep. People are eating apples, chocolate.
Because of the bad weather, we couldn't climb all the way to top of the Hurrah Peak. Our instructors made everyone stop at the safest spot where they recorded the height we reached. They also took proper head count of all the trainees who made it up, and the exact number will be printed later on our certificates.
Wait, we did it. Choti, the best. Yes.
We were exhausted but at the same time super excited to reach this point. By now we have officially completed all our physical activities. Honestly, words can't express that happiness. Every single task was tough, but we pushed ourselves, crossed every hurdle, challenged our limits, and finally we did it.
बेसिक कोर्स की ट्रेनिंग आपको बात करना चाहती हैं सर।
थैंक यू सर। हाइट कितना है?
4491 meters.
Okay. So we have finished Hurrah Top summit at 4375 meters and it's white out right now. We have to descend as early as possible. Say my sincere thanks. I'm at 4375 meters because of you, Sandhya. Thanks a lot, and you made my day, and I am forever grateful for whatever you have done today.
After spending some time at the top point, we began our descent. The terrain was tricky. A mix of flat ascents and descents made even tougher by constant drizzling. The grasslands had turned slippery, so we had to be extra careful, using our ice axes as support while making our way down. At a few points, the weather turned so bad that we could hardly see people ahead of us, almost like a partial whiteout.
Every time during summits I do one of the other mistakes, and this time the blunder is I actually forgot my poncho, and I was pretty scared, and this is training and all the instructors are watching. It started raining on the way. I didn't know what to do. So there were a couple of peeps. There are some people who were leaving from stage 1. So I requested everyone if they can give their poncho. It was quite drizzling at that time. There is this one lady, Sandhya, who gave up, and she just removed her poncho immediately and gave me, and she told, you have to submit with this poncho, and I'm forever grateful for her. If she's not there, instructors wouldn't have allowed me to make this.
At times, the sun would break through the clouds and the sight was just heavenly. Golden light over the green meadows with the clouds drifting around. Just look at these views.
They'll clap for us
Why?
because we did the height gain thing.
We did the height gain thing today. So we congratulated them yesterday.
And today it's their turn. Uno reverse.
Uno reverse.
Yeah, Uno reverse. It is.
How was that?
Nice, so beautiful.
व्यू कहाँ देखा आपने?
मैंने देखा थोड़ा
ये तो वाइट आउट हो गया.
थोड़ा थोड़ा दिख गया था मुझे, मैं पहले चली गई थी.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And then it was a celebration time, just like we once wished our AMC seniors after their height gain. Today it was their turn to wish us back. We were greeted with laddus and chocolates, and the pride was felt was beyond words. Everyone congratulated us for completing the height gain, and it truly felt like an achievement to remember.
We are so happy doing the final activity. His final physical. Because of her, I did the summit today. She just gave her poncho to me, and otherwise I wouldn't have gone to there. Just done with map reading activity. Let's see how my team performed. How was that?
टॉप मारा है
Top Mara.
फिर भी उल्टा बोल कर आ गई है ये लड़की.
And how did you perform, ma'am?
Mine was good.
Before they asked question itself, you
I
answered.
answered. So I was like, अरे पूरा क्वेश्चन तो सुन लो आप. इतना क्या करके आए हो आप?
ज्यादा रट्टा मार के आ गए हो
आपको?
मैंने तो पता नहीं क्या.
Mine was
सबसे
good.
बड़ा पॉइंट मैं कंपास के पार्ट रट के गई थी.
Yeah.
कोई नहीं पूछ.
Oh,
क्या 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 क्या? नैया डूब गई.
हम भी.
See, you have to submit your boots and crampons like the way you have submitted earlier with your name slips.
Today we are getting chai and pakoda. People are going again and again and eating.
नहीं खाना क्या?
क्योंकि मतलब मैंने मेरी मर्जी से तो नहीं, मैंने तो पूरा ट्राई किया.
What happened in yesterday's rope knot test, and how did they ask questions?
It was good.
I mean, how
Only
did
one was incorrect.
How many instructors were inside?
Around 5-6.
Okay, and how
Along with
many-
our MO.
Where-
Ropes were there on the ground. Every time we have to pick it up. Then we are making the notes. Sometimes we are getting confused. Sometimes one safety note.
How much time they have given you?
Sometimes 20 seconds. Sometimes 10 seconds. 12 seconds.
Okay, and how you will get to know the time on, time off?
By whistling.
Who is whistling?
Ravi sir was there.
Oh my God!
He was
whistling. How did your?
Ravi sir was checking every knot. Anshul sir was whistling.
Yeah. It was like.
Today also.
How did the map test went, and what's the process inside?
You have to go there. Chits will be given to you. Like chits will be there in one instructor's hand. You have to pick it up. जो उसमें आया like some plotting, deep plotting, and orienting map or like finding own position and one more.
Okay, how much time they have given?
They have given different time. Plotting को and deep plotting को they give 33 minutes, and for orientation of map I give
30 seconds.
30 seconds, and some finding own location it was 1 minute 30 seconds.
And after that?
Questions were asked, and even ropes were very lucky. Odd ropes were no word. I am speechless.
And tomorrow we have one more test.
Yeah, tomorrow we have one more map reading test. It was individual, the one which we gave today. Tomorrow we will have team with team. The instructor will be giving us point, and then we have to like find it out, and it will take 2-3 minutes at least. और मैप में मार्क करेंगे. Then till that time instructors will hide somewhere. वो वहाँ से लेके पूरे वहाँ तक कहीं भी छुप सकते हैं, गुजर हाट तक ही. So we have to find them.
Hide and seek basically.
Hide and seek game will be there.
Treasure hunt. So you basically have to take the point from them.
Worst part is कि सुबह 7:30 पेपर है हमारे कुछ.
People are think these two are planning to study overnight, but the elders who already started studying.
जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
हाँ. But who will keep 7:30 exam? Who will keep?
That's all about our day 21 in NIM BMC. I will see you in the next day video. Thank you once again for watching till the end. Bye.